This project really made us think about our local food systems, and with using wasted ingredients, we were really asking the question, why is this wasted in the first place?
Tonight's event is highlighting rescued food products and trying to hero them, bringing manaaki and manaaki taka to the guests through the food and also through the preparation and the care that was put in from our side of the food.
So we had 5 stalls running tonight, and each stall had a different wasted ingredient they were highlighting. So we had one stall that was highlighting wasted bread from Kiwi Harvest, one that was working with lamb, one stall was working with pastry, also from Kiwi Harvest. We had some bycatch from Harbour Fish. We also had ground hazelnut flour left over from Dunford Grove.
When everyone first started working with the rescued ingredients, it was a little bit challenging in terms of it's not the kind of ingredients that you necessarily encounter every day. We have a lot of biases almost of food that is comfortable to cook with or eat or look at, but if you do put in a bit of effort, it doesn't have to be that way, it doesn't have to go to waste.
It's shown me that products that I considered as well to be second-tier products are actually much nicer than I thought they were. And if you do put the time in to prepare it well, then you get a much better product than sometimes you can even buy at the supermarket.
And I think a really important part of that is educating people about all of the different ways that you can use those wasted ingredients and make something that's really delicious that can feed, 100 people in this setting.
Tonight's event was called Kai Mākona, and it was in collaboration with ENZ, which are a really food systems focused charity in Aotearoa, New Zealand. This event was a chance for them to showcase all the skills they've learned over the year, to bring together in a really collaborative and hopefully engaging and delicious space.
We had lots of great feedback coming from our guests. I feel like it was a really communal vibe, and that was definitely what we were going for. And yeah, it was a good energy and some great weather, which made it even better.
And it was cool to see everyone talking and interacting with the ideas that we were trying to portray through this event.
The highlight for me tonight would be the reviews from the people. It was really good to see some constructive criticism, but also some really, really good feedback about how the dish was, the textures, the flavours.
I'd hope that people take away from tonight just that with all of this food that we already have, produced in this world, that we can create something really delicious to share for a lot of people if we just think about things a little bit differently.